Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use Google Drive on mobile and share files through link. The first thing you will need to do is open Google Drive. Once you have done that, you're going to see a plus in the bottom right hand corner. You can tap on the plus, then from there you can tap on Upload File. After selecting Upload File, you can tap on Photos and Videos, and then you can select the photo or video that you would like to share. So for example, let's say I would like to share this video. All I would need to do is select the video, then tap on Upload in the top right hand corner. After you have tapped on Upload, you're going to give it a few seconds, and from there you will see that the video is being uploaded or the photo is being uploaded. Once it has been uploaded, all you'll need to do now, for example, I could tap on files right here in the bottom right hand corner, and you can see the video that I had selected earlier is being uploaded. All you'll need to do once it is uploaded, you will simply tap on the three dots in line with its name. Then from there, you're going to see the option share. You can tap on share. Then once you have tapped on share, from there you could type in the person's email address that you would like to share it with. And you can also tap right where you see manage access. After tapping on manage access, you can see anyone with the link, and that means that anyone with internet with this link can view. You can select that. If you would like to change that from viewer to someone that will be able to edit that particular video or file that you're sharing, you can tap on editor. Once you're finished, all you'll need to do is tap on the link icon in the top right hand corner, and then from there you can share that link on any social media platform or so on. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.